In a time when kingdoms rose like jewels upon the earth, there lived a wise king who had 2 sons. Prince Aron, whose heart shone with kindness, and Prince Rylan, whose heart struggled with jealousy. From childhood, Aron loved helping others. He shared his toys, helped the cooks, played with the palace children, even comforted animals in the garden. But Rylan always wanted to be first. First to win games, first to impress their father, first to receive praise. And whenever Aron received love from the people, Rylan's heart tightened with jealousy. One day Rylan mutters alone, "Why does everyone adore him? I am a prince too." Rylan pushes Aron during practice. Aron still helps him stand. One winter, a strange darkness crept into the kingdom. Crops wilted. Animals fell sick. The sky grew dim. The royal healer warned the king. "Your Majesty, the heart of light, the magical source of our kingdom's peace, is fading." The king announces a quest. Whichever prince finds and restores the heart of light shall be the heir to the throne. Rylan smirks with ambition. Aron bows with humility. The 2 princes set out together. They reach a village where a collapsed bridge blocks villagers from crossing. Rylan says, "Let's ignore them. We need to move." But Aron repairs the bridge with the villagers. Golden fireflies appear around him. Rylan scoffs. Wasting time again. But unseen magical spirits whisper. A kind heart lights the way. They walk into a deep, glowing forest. Mysterious whispers echo. A magical fox, injured, lies on the path. Rylan tries to move around it, annoyed. Aron kneels, heals the fox with herbs. The fox transforms into a guardian spirit. "You helped me without knowing who I am. Take this." It gives Aron a silver feather glowing in moonlight. "This will guide you." Rylan grumbles. Everything goes in his favor. A dark cave appears. Inside, crystals show reflections of their hearts. Aron's reflection glows warmly. Rylan's appears cracked with shadows of jealousy. A voice speaks. To reach the heart of light, one must face his true self. Suddenly the ground shakes. Rylan slips toward a deep pit. Aron grabs him just in time. Rylan breathes heavily. Why save me? I treated you badly." Aron replies softly. "You are my brother." Rylan lowers his head in shame. They reach an ancient floating temple surrounded by light. Inside, the heart of light hovers, broken into dim pieces. A magical guardian appears. Only a pure heart can restore it. Rylan steps forward first. But the light rejects him. He whispers, "I know, my jealousy has darkened my heart." Aron steps forward. The silver feather glows. Pieces of the heart of light rise and unite. A brilliant light spreads across the land. Rylan falls to his knees. "Brother, I was blinded by envy. Teach me how to be like you." Aron lifts him. "You don't need to be like me. You just need to be the best version of yourself." The heart of light glows brighter. Accepting both brothers now. The king embraces both sons. The land is bright again. Flowers bloom. Children laugh. The sky shines gold. The king declares, Aron will be the king, and Rylan will stand beside him as the guardian of the kingdom. The brothers smile, truly united. And so, the kingdom learned. Jealousy fades, but a kind heart lights the world forever.